Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup CentOS Stream VPS using Restic, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your CentOS Stream VPS via SSH. Use your preferred terminal application to access the server. Enter your username and the IP address of your VPS. Once logged in, update your system packages with the command. Type sudo dnf update and press enter. After the update completes, install Restic using the command. Type sudo dnf install Restic and press enter. Next, decide where to store your backups. You can use local storage, SFTP, or a cloud provider. For this guide, we'll demonstrate using an SFTP server. Make sure you have the necessary SFTP server credentials. Create a directory for your backup files on your SFTP server. If using a local directory, ensure it has sufficient space. Now, initialize the Restic repository. Use the command restic init our SFTP user at host to path. Replace user, host, and path with your actual details. You'll be prompted to enter a password for the repository. Choose a strong password and make a note of it. Once the repository is initialized, it's time to back up your files. Determine the files or directories you want to back up. For example, to back up your home directory, use the command. Type restic or SFTP user at host path backup /home your username. Restic will automatically handle versioning for you. While the backup is running, you'll see progress updates on the screen. Upon completion, Restic will provide a summary of the backup. To check your backups later, use the command. Type restic or SFTP user at host path list snapshots. This will display a list of all your backup snapshots. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.